In this video, you'll learn how to set up your environment in preparation for installing the design tool flow. We'll make sure that you have Python, Docker set up and tested. We also recommend installing KLayout and Visual Studio Code, but they're not required. We'll assume you are using a recent Linux installation like Ubuntu 20 or later. To make sure the rest of the process goes smoothly, run these commands to install some prerequisites. Install Docker by running sudo apt-get install docker.io. Then test it by running sudo docker run hello world. We don't want to have to run Docker with sudo, so run the following commands to add the Docker group and yourself to it. You can see I already have the Docker group. Before testing, make sure to log out, then log in after adding yourself to the Docker group. Then try running docker run hello world, and you should get the same result as before. KLayout is a useful tool for viewing the GDS files produced by OpenLane. On Ubuntu 20, install it by running sudo apt install KLayout. On Ubuntu 22, the package is currently broken, so you need to first download the package from KLayout's website and then install it with dpackage. We won't show the install here because we're recording on Ubuntu 20. We recommend Microsoft Visual Studio Code for an editor. Go to the website and download it for your platform. For Linux, after downloading, install it with dpackage. We can test KLayout and Visual Studio Code by starting them from the terminal. Try running KLayout and then code. If you need help or support, the best place to go is the open source Silicon Slack community. The link to join is in the description below.